Hey guys, what's up? It's me. I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna be pranking my stepmom. I'm gonna be, hang on, I got this stuff a while back, but I never used it, so I don't know where the other two cans are at. But I'm about to spray paint her car, and then I'm gonna tell her that I spray painted it or whatever, and I'm gonna see her reaction. I'm so fucking scared. Oh my god, I'm so fucking scared. Dude, should I do pink or blue first? Here, you can record. I'm going inside. Stop. Oh, and by the way, her car is fucking brand new. I'm so fucking scared.
Nah, G.
Oh, film it.
When she comes out, I'm good.
I'm not in this one.
I'm so scared. What should I do? Like, write my name? Should I write my name?
Put your Instagram.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
No.
Put it on the handle.
I'm so fucking scared. Get the camera on me.
What if she just came out?
Oh man, now I gotta go.
Bro, what if it dries? What if it dries
My
out?
heart is racing so fast.
Will it ever-
Get that.
Will it come off if it dries?
Oh, she's gonna fucking kill me.
It's starting to rain.
Give me that one. I'm about to just do this last thing right now.
Nah, I'm going inside. I'm going inside.
You need to go.
I'm gonna do this one.
Okay, alright. I'm gonna set it up now. You can get that.
No, you gotta keep
I'm
filming.
not
I might
keep
go inside.
filming. I'll set it up.
No, dude, hold it. You're just gonna follow me. Come on, dude, follow me.
Look, this is perfect.
Just freaking follow me.
I'm not following you.
Come
You're
on.
fried.
Dude, come on.
Hey, I'm going to the front door.
Stop, come on.
No, I'm setting it up.
Dude, hold the camera. Come on. Come on, let's go. Is it still filming?
Yes. Fuck it. I'm not doing this. I don't care. I'm setting it up.
Come on.
I'm setting it up.
No, come on.
I'm not fucking.
Dude, come on. Come on, dude. Literally just follow
Then
me.
you film and be like, look.
No, dude. Come on. Bing.
Just hold it up.
Just come on.
Stop being a pussy. Hold it
No,
up.
come on, dude. Just follow me. Come on. Bro, you're pissing me off. Come on, dude. Laura, I did something bad to your car. Come look.
What did you do?
Come look.
Let's put it this way. Why would you do something bad to my car?
For the subs. I had to do it for the subs.
Oh no. Take that off.
No.
Yes.
No, it's spray paint. It's not coming off.
Take it off.
Good looking inside too. You can.
Take it off.
You can't go to.
Take it off. I don't like it.
You're gonna go. Look on this side. Look, it's good for
If
work.
this stains,
It's good for work.
it's your ass.
It's good
Take
for.
it off. Take it off.
Look.
I don't care. It doesn't matter. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off now. I'm serious, Ollie. I know it's a joke, but take it off.
But it's spray paint. It's not gonna come off.
Take it off. It's not spray paint. Take it off now.
All right, can I back your car out?
No. Clean it off.
Well, I was gonna spray with the hose.
Nope.
What do you want me to do then? What do you want me?
That spray paint. Look, it won't even come off my hand.
It's just
Look.
chalk. It's just chalk. It's gonna
Take
come
it
off. I'm going to. Can I back your
No.
car out of the garage so I can spray it with the water?
Nope.
How am I gonna get it off?
off my hand.
It's gonna come off the car. I did it on my car. Can I back it out?
No, you figure it out. No,
It comes off with water.
just figure it out. You're not gonna do it. It won't even come off my hand.
Dude, it's gonna come off.
Well, take a bucket with the buckets downstairs, and you can take it out.
Okay, I will. Looks good, doesn't it?
No, it doesn't.
I think it does. Alright guys, well she's pretty angry right now, so I gotta clean her car right now. I'm about to finish that. I'll put it in the video for you guys. I'm gonna wash it with the clean it for her. Hang on. Put it like that. How do you feel about that? How do you feel about that?
Coming clean?
Oh, it's coming clean, alright.
Okay,
And don't worry, I'm gonna blur your license plates out, so.
better.
How do you feel about that prank, though? Were you mad?
Well, yes,
Oh, yeah, I know you were mad, because I
I'm
got...
just glad for you that it came out.
Yeah, it's pretty spotless, guys. But yeah. It was a pretty good one, don't you think? You like that one?
That was good.
More to come. Dude.
Next goal is to how you get off my fingers.
Alright guys, I'm about to finish cleaning the car and then that'll be that, but I'm not gonna film the rest of the washing the car. So if you guys liked the video, guys, please drop a like on this. This shit was, I was so scared to do this, but please drop a like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, your family, all them. You guys don't know how long it took me to build the courage up to do this. Like, I was so scared, dude. Alright, but yeah guys, that's the end of the video, and comment down below what you want to see next, and I'm out. Peace. Bah!
Oh yeah, wait till forevermore.